Hi guys, we're back. In case you are new to our channel, I'm Lawrence Villaverde.
I'm Cyril Luciano, and we are property specialists of Mega World at the Fort.
And for today's video, we will give you an update about Park McKinley West Tower C and D, and also we will feature two different kinds of two-bedroom units, the 106 square meters and 110 square meters. And you will also be seeing the view of the unit if it's facing the inside of the building and the outside. So, are you guys ready to see the units? Are you ready, Miss Sai?
Yes.
Let's go!
Hi guys! So now we're here in Park McKinley West, Tower C and Tower D. So this lobby is along Legrand Avenue. So dito sa side na to, ayan, this is part of the mall. This one and the second floor, but it's not yet done. So hopefully, end of this year or by next year, matapos na siya. So, this Tower C and D, yung mall na to is yung phase 2. Okay? So, dito sa side din na to, it's part of the mall. Ayan. It can be the entrance or it can be the coffee shop already. So, let's go inside the lobby. Let's go. Wow, lamig! Sarap! So, we're now here inside the lobby of Tower C and Tower D of Park McKinley West. So, let's go. Come here. Hello po. Hi ka naman, ate. So, this is also an update, especially to our clients who bought a unit here in Tower C or Tower D. Currently, nasa 11th floor na tayo sa Tower C, and for the Tower D, we're on the 5th floor na, but as per the turnover group, they haven't started the key turnover yet for Tower D since madami pang construction talaga dun sa building compared dito sa Tower C na nasa 11th floor na. So, this is the best time to prepare for your bank financing or in-house financing in case na yun yung options natin to settle the balance. So, this is the best time, guys, para hindi tayo magmadali once ready na yung unit nyo. So, this is the reception area. So, we have 24/7 na guard and receptionist na assigned dito. And if you call, di ba may video intercom tayo sa unit, dito din siya directly connected. So, makikita nyo kung sino yung visitors nyo. So, come here! So, we have the same concept. Different color lang siya compared dun sa Tower A and B. So, pag nakikita nyo yung vlog na color yellow, that's Tower A and B. But if it's orange, it's Tower C and D. So, same concept lang, different color. So, shared lobby din siya. So, let's go. Come here. So, meron tayong malaking fake plants. Hindi siya totoo. So, yung elevator lobby, dito siya sa side. So, later, pupunta tayo dito going dun sa unit na ipapakita natin. So, dito naman, so another reception area. Ayan, walang ganito sa Tower C. So, mail room. This is mail room for Tower D and this is for the Tower C. So, let's go. Ikutin lang natin, guys. Super quick. Ayan. So, yung mga bills, usually dito siya diretso. Yung mga electricity, yung water, association dues, dito siya diretso. Pero usually, sinesend din naman yun sa email. So, ayan. And then, we have the parang announcement or bulletin board here. So, we have, at my back, may tao lang. Pero, dun yung other parang reception area din or lobby natin. And this one is the elevator lobby. Ay, this is for the Tower D. So, this is the property management office and we have common toilet here. And, ayan, we have, let's go here. So, here, we have 6 elevators, 5 passenger and 1 service elevator for each tower. So, makokontrol natin yung traffic. Hindi masyadong parang magta-traffic din dito sa elevator kasi sobrang dami nung elevators and it's keycard access din. Hindi pa lang tayo pwede makapasok sa loob. So, dun tayo sa Tower A. So, are you ready, guys, to see the actual 2-bedroom unit? Let's go! So, now we're here sa elevator lobby ng Tower C. So, let's go! So now, let's go sa unit! So, as you can see, this is the hallway of the Park McKinley West Tower C. And it's motion sensor, yung mga ilaw natin. So, para energy efficient din siya. So, I think wala pang nakatira dito sa floor. So, let's go. So, yung 2-bedroom na ipapakita natin, it's a corner unit, both corner units. So now, let's go here inside the 2-bedroom unit here in Park McKinley West Tower C. It's 106 square meters. So, let's go. So, ayan. So, before we enter, eto, pakita muna namin. This is a Philips digital lock. So, ayan. So, you can access this through yung passcode nyo, fingerprint, or yung keycard access, which is very convenient, especially if ipapa-Airbnb or ipapa-rent nyo siya. You just need to parang set another passcode. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng physical keys to access the unit. So, ayan. This is added feature ng Park McKinley West. And this is the entrance. So, dito muna tayo sa side. This is the maid's room or utilities room. This one, since this unit is a corner unit, it has its own window. This one, so added natural light siya. I'm not sure, ayan, na-open. Ay, wow! Garden yung view niya. Garden yung view. So, part ng amenities. So, this one, you can actually convert this room into a guest room kasi it has its own toilet and bath dito sa side. And, ayan, maluwag din siya. So, may shower and toilet. So, dito, may walis lang dito sa side. So, hindi natin pwede. Tingnan niyo, guys. So, may walis lang. So, baka yung mga utility nililinis nila. So, ayan. So, we have the complete toilet and bath. Wala lang lavatory. So, this one is the location for the laundry area. So, you can put washing machine and dryer. Ayan. Enough yung space niya. Actually, this is one of the biggest maid's room size na meron kami sa property. So, here in this side is the kitchen area. So, ang laki. So, whatever you see dito, it's the actual deliverable if you buy a unit here in Park McKinley West. So, as you can see, we have the granite countertop, the cabinets, a lot of storage, the range hood. Range hood? So, this is the range hood, the cooktop, the induction cooktop, and then oven. It's all included na. And a lot of storage. And this one, sobrang laki na to. As in, wow. And retractable na din siya. Wow! So, this one, we have the video intercom as well. So, kanina, nung nasa lobby tayo, doon connected siya. So, pagka tumawag kayo dito or yung guard yung tatawag sa inyo if may delivery kayo, dito nyo siya makikita. It's one-way camera. So, another upgrade dito sa Park McKinley West, we have the smart light switch. So, ayan, hindi na siya yung normal na tumutunog-tunog. So, ayan, soft touch na siya. So, this side, ang laki niya, guys. So, actually, this Park McKinley West, ito yung meron kaming 2-bedroom unit na malalaking size. So this one, 106 square meters siya. And this is the smallest na 2-bedroom dito sa project na to. With our other projects, it's different. Like 80 square meters, 60 square meters for a 2-bedroom. So if you're looking for a bigger space, which is much better, mas malaki, dito sa Park McKinley West, you will have that kind of space na hinahanap nyo. So this area is for the dining area, and this one naman is for the living area. So laki, oh. So you can put an L-shaped couch, ayan, and then, ayan, so the TV is here, and your view will be different dun sa ipapakita ni Lawrence mamaya. So, let's go! So this view, if you want something calm, hindi masyadong may road noise, this unit, it's facing the inside. It's facing the amenity area, like the swimming pool. Ayan, ang laki. And that one, yung children's playground na nakikita nyo, that's for Tower A and B. So, shared sila. So, yung playground area ng Tower C and D, it's on the other side. So, this one, this is the wet amenities. So, yan. Makikita nyo yung pool mismo. Wow! Very relaxing. Ayan. So, this one, this balcony din, meron siyang access going to the first bedroom. So, mamaya, tingnan natin. So, let's go. So, it comes with AC na din pala, with aircon. It's split type. The brand is Daikin. Ayan. So, dito tayo, guys. So, this is the first bedroom. So it comes with a built-in cabinet. It's here. It's a big one. So, ayan yung loob niya. If you think na hindi pa enough yung space, you still have an option. You have an option na i-extend siya hanggang doon. Kasi storage is life. So, para mas okay. And para hindi madumi. And it comes with split type AC as well. It's Daikin brand and it's inverter. So, mas tipid siya sa kuryente. So, this unit, it's all facing the amenities side. So, that's the swimming pool. And sunrise facing east. Ayan. That's the view. Ayan. So, now, let's go naman dun sa common toilet and bath. So, here. So, as you notice, this is a motion sensor din. So, naka-install na siya dito. So, whatever you see dito, it's included na pag binili nyo yung unit. So, normally, most of our clients, pag nagpapa-renovate sila, they only add cabinets here, medicine cabinet, and under-counter cabinet dito. Under-sink cabinet for added storage ng mga soap nila or towels. Pero this one, yung mga tiles, shower, hindi na nila pinapa-replace kasi sayang. It's a good quality as well. The brand of this is Kohler. So, eto, partial glass kasama na din. So, whatever you see dito, it's all included na. So, now, let's go naman sa master's bedroom. So, it's here. Yay! So, it comes with split type aircon as well. It's Daikin, same brand. And if you remember yung vlog namin regarding the model unit ng Park McKinley West 2-bedroom, it's the same layout. So, you can check that out para makita nyo ano yung itsura niya pag may unit na. Ay, pag may unit na, pag may furnitures na. Kasi maluwag siya. So, this alone, master's bedroom, you can put a king-size bed actually. Ang luwag. Tignan nyo guys, ang luwag. Ang daming lakad. So, yan. So, this one, you have your own private balcony. So, private siya kasi wala siyang access going dun sa balcony ng living and balcony ng first bedroom kasi nasa gitna niya yung compressor ng AC. So, but still, you can see the amenities, the east side, the sunrise, and the ayan, playground. So, here in master's bedroom, you have your own toilet and bath as well. So, let's go here. So, we have cabinets as well. It's all included na. So, if you want to add more, dito pwede. So, para added storage. Wow. So, it's another motion sensor na ilaw. So, maluwag siya oh. So you can actually put cabinet here for storage, cabinet here, ayan. So it doesn't come with with water heater, but you just have to buy a multi-point water heater and then the maintenance team will assist you for the installation. So dito lang siya ilalagay. So pasok kayo dito guys. It's quite spacious for toilet and bath kasi ayan, nasa dulo si Lawrence, andito ako sa dulo. Magkabilang dulo kami. And ayan, makikita nyo, we have the shower area, we have parang different area for each location. So, ang ganda. So, let's go back to the living area. So, that's it guys. That's our 2-bedroom unit in Park McKinley West, Tower C. This is a 106 square meters facing amenities, the swimming pool, the children's playground facing east. So ngayon naman, Lawrence will show to you the other size of our 2-bedroom unit, which is 110 square meters. And it's facing the sunset area, it's facing the Legrand Avenue, and more greeneries. So, are you ready, Lore? Let's go!
Thank you, Miss Sai. So now we are about to enter the 2-bedroom with balcony, 110 square meters in Park McKinley West Tower C. So this specific unit, it's facing the outside or facing Legrand Avenue, which is the east side of the building. So now, let's go. So now, let's start here first in the kitchen area. So similar to dun sa 2-bedroom unit na pinakita kanina ni Miss Cyril, almost the same deliverables lang din naman siya. It's just that this one is a bit bigger. So kasama na itong mga overhead cabinets, and under-counter cabinets, and granite countertop. Here, meron din dito. Kagandahan sa 2-bedroom to is ang dami ng storage. So meron dito, meron dyan, meron dito sa taas na to. And it also comes with range hood, 4-zone induction, and a proper oven. Kasama na yan upon turnover. Sa flooring naman, it's ceramic tiles. Matte finish sa kitchen para hindi ganun kadulas if ever may mga spill ng water, ganyan. So, now let's proceed here naman sa kabilang side. Andito pala yung general switch, yung breaker ng unit. Tapos, pag nagpa-interior kayo, pwede nyo nang lagyan ng painting para hindi siya kita. Naka-hide siya. And now, here at my back is where the maid's room or storage room is located. Ayan siya. So just like the 2-bedroom unit that Miss Cyril showed you a while ago, similar din siya. This can be converted into a guest room. Ang kasya dito guys is a single bed. So dito sa side na to. And since this one is also a corner unit, it also comes with a natural ventilation. May window tayo dito na pwede buksan. Awning type window siya. So nakaganto lang siya, nakaslant lang. So may natural ventilation, di ba? And then, meron din siyang kasamang sariling toilet and bath. So, pag nagpa-interior kayo guys, you can convert this bathroom into a powder room. It's not like a proper bathroom, but this can be converted into a powder room pag nagpa-interior kayo. Kasi meron ng mga pipes, yan, meron ng provisions. So, andito yung water closet. Tapos, meron din tayong provision for washer and dryer dito. Pag nagpa-interior kayo, pwede nun palagyan ng cabinet para hindi siya eyesore, tago siya, and you can add more storage pa on top of your washer and dryer. So now let's go out and proceed to the common area. So now this is the living and dining area. Oh, by the way guys, I forgot to mention, this also of course comes with a video intercom. So kasama yan upon turnover. And this one is the living and dining area. So look how big it is guys. Super spacious siya. So this is 106 square meters in total. And for the flooring, ceramic tile flooring din siya. And for the ceiling height, it's around 2.7 to 3 meters high. So it's actually quite high. And pwede pa kayo magpa-drop ceiling dito if you want to put some cove lightings on the side and also some pin lights para mas maganda yung dating pag naka-open yung mga lights ng unit nyo. And also, it comes with this one, the split type aircon. It's by Daikin. It's already smart inverter, so energy saving siya. And also one good feature about this unit is that you have island countertop here. So pwede ka maglagay ng mga bar stools dito, pwede kayo mag-breakfast dito, ayan. Units facing Legrand Avenue will have a view of McKinley West. And also guys, if your unit is located on the higher floors, so mga around 12 and above, you can have a view of Forbes Park and Makati skyline. So as you can see, yan, very quiet din naman dito kasi this is mostly residential. It's also very ideal kung mas gusto nyo mas tahimik dito sa side na to sa Tower C. And you have unobstructed view if you're located on the higher floor guys, unobstructed view of Forbes Park and Makati skyline. Ayan guys, as you can see, it's very quiet. Ayan, so dito, this one, yan, merong condo si Mega World dito, it's Sun Moritz. It's a low-rise condominium lang naman. So, pag may mga units above 12th floor, hindi na mahaharangan ng Sun Moritz. But you can see McKinley West Village na. You can also see Forbes Park, Makati skyline. So, it really has a great view pag nasa labas ang view ng unit nyo. Ayan siya. So, now let's proceed again inside. Now, we are about to go to the bedroom area. But before that, let me just quickly show you the common toilet and bath. So this one, all bathrooms come with complete bathroom fixture. So kasama na yung facial mirror, lavatory, granite countertop, bidet, water closet, even the tiles on the wall and floor kasama na siya. Tapos meron ding mga bathroom accessories like this one, towel rack and tissue holder. Ayan, may half glass enclosure and meron ding rain shower. Ang brand na ginamit dito is Kohler. Ayan siya. So now, let's proceed to the bedroom 1. So this is the bedroom 1. So this is actually quite spacious and it can fit a queen-size bed. Kaya din king-size pero mako-compromise yung side tables mo. But if it's a queen-size bed, you can put 2 side tables on both ends. Ayan siya. And also, it comes with a built-in cabinet. Ayan siya. kasama na siya. Pwede na lang kayo magpa-add ng more storage pag nagpa-interior kayo. Ayan. And we can also give you some recommendations sa mga interior designers natin. Ayan. And it comes with one split-type aircon by Daikin. It's also smart inverter. Ayan. Tapos yung tiles dito sa bedroom area, it's different na. Although the same material lang ginamit, ceramic din siya, but ceramic wooden plank for the bedrooms. And also, it has access going to the balcony. So this is quite long for a balcony. So tagusan siya. So from the bedroom 1, you can go to the living and dining area. Ayan siya. So now let's proceed to the master bedroom. By the way, guys, all units come with smart light switch. Ayan. So now here's the master bedroom. So this one, it's actually quite spacious. Like what Miss Cyril told you a while ago, it can actually fit a king-size bed in this master bedroom. So look how big it is, guys. Ayan, super spacious siya. And it also comes with one split-type aircon. So a total of 3 split-type aircons for the 2-bedroom units. And guys, this one has its own balcony. Ito, hindi na to tagusan kasi may divider na siya. Ayan. So, you can put like a mini coffee table over here and enjoy the view of McKinley West. Ayan. So now, let me show you the other side of the master bedroom, which is the toilet and bath. This one comes with its own toilet and bath, guys. And you have more storage here. Meron dito, and meron din dito. Ayan. More storage for the master bedroom. And this one has its own toilet and bath. Ayan. So this one comes with the facial mirror, the lavatory, granite countertop, and pwede na lang kayo magpa-add ng storage sa ilalim nyo or medicine box dito sa side. Tapos pwede dito yung provision for the heater. It comes with bidet, water closet, and natural ventilation since this one is a corner unit. Not all 2 bedrooms, though, have a natural ventilation. It's just that this one is a corner unit. Kaya wala nang hallway sa labas. Kaya meron siyang natural ventilation dito. Beside from the mechanical ventilation. And now, here is the shower area. Meron na tayong rain shower by Kohler and half glass enclosure. Pag nagpa-interior kayo, guys, pwede na lang kayo magpalagay ng full glass enclosure dito. Ayan. Tapos meron ditong parang nook. Ayan. Pwede nyo lagay yung mga body wash. Ayan. Mga facial wash. Ganyan. So, pwede nyo lagayan dyan. So, now labas tayo, guys. Let's proceed to the living and dining area. So, basically, that's it, guys. This is the 2-bedroom unit with balcony, 110 square meters at Park McKinley West, Tower C. So, the good thing about this project is that we are offering it in rent-to-own terms. With only 10% down payment, we can already process your move-in. So this project, this specific tower, is expected to be completed this year to early next year. So if you're looking for something na pwede mong gamitin na right away or willing kayo to wait for a few months for the turnover, this is what we highly suggest. It's in rent-to-own terms, payable in 3 years at 0% interest. Your remaining balance is only due after 3 years, which is on the 37th month, which you can pay in cash or bank financing. And if you are not in a rush naman to move in, we have another pre-selling condo in BGC, which is located in Uptown. It's called Uptown Modern. It's still in the construction stage, and it's expected to be completed naman in 2031, so 6 years from now. That's why we are offering terms na 0% interest for up to 6 years, with no down payment promo options as well. So if you are interested in this unit or in our pre-selling condo in Uptown, feel free to message us. We will leave our contact details on the screen, so you can message us on iMessage, Viber, WhatsApp, or maybe even send us an email. We will put our email addresses on the description box below. So thank you guys for watching. See you again on our next vlogs. Bye!